If you have leaks around your entry door, it may be time to replace the weather stripping. Hi, I'm Wayne with Mr. Handyman, and today we'll be showing you how to replace the weather stripping on an entry door. Remove the existing weather stripping around the door. Take notice of how the weather stripping is connected. Bring a piece to the home store to get the same style. You may also want to replace the weather stripping under the door. Some thresholds are adjustable, and making a few adjustments may be all you need. Removing the door may be required. Also take this to the home store. Cut the weather stripping, making sure the corners and areas against the threshold are a tight fit. Install weather stripping in the same manner as the old material. Replace or adjust weather stripping under the door. Close the door. It may need a little push to compress the new weather stripping. This will lessen in time. From the inside, take a lighter and move it along the perimeter of the door to make sure there are no air leaks. Make any adjustments if needed. If you need help replacing the weather stripping in your door or have a much larger project, please call Mr. Handyman, your one-stop for all your home maintenance and repair solutions.